Hello viewers across the globe, welcome to InfoDem. Before I go straight into the video, please I want to beg you, if you know you want to change your story, watch this video from beginning to the end. If I had known this information 5 years ago, I would have been a billionaire. So please pay rapt attention to this video. Share this video, don't be selfish about it, so that other people can benefit from this teaching. Now, if you look at the price of Bitcoin now, one Bitcoin is $37,000. Are you aware that this same Bitcoin was sold $15,000, $15,588 last year? Are you aware that this same Bitcoin in 2013 was sold at the rate of $314 per unit? Now you can see the price, $37,000. A lot of people are wondering, why is it like that? Why is the price of Bitcoin rising like that? It's not only Bitcoin, other cryptocurrency too. I will come to that. But Bitcoin right now is exceptional. But I can tell you that Pi will take over from Bitcoin very soon. Now, are you aware that PayPal has approved to offer Bitcoin and cryptocurrency services in the United Kingdom? If you are not aware, they have approved it. Now, are you aware that this same Ethereum that you are seeing here, that is $2,052? Now, are you aware that per unit was sold $0.42 in the year 2015? That is 8 years later. You can see. Do you know that if you have invested 20,000 naira in year 2015 to buy Ethereum, by now you will have over 300 million in your account? This is not a magic. This is what has made a lot of people to become billionaire overnight. And it is never too late. And even now is the time to invest in cryptocurrency, because the way the world is going now, you heard about AI. By the time AI will come into play, you will notice that a lot of people will lose their job, and what we'll be using is cryptocurrency. There won't be any room for fiat currency. So that is why it is very important that you invest in cryptocurrency. Right now, I want to teach you directly how to buy cryptocurrency and keep. How to buy cryptocurrency and keep. And if you don't know the right crypto to buy, you can private chat me. I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you for free the crypto that you can buy. Do you know that with as little as 1,000 naira, if you are in Nigeria, you can start buying and keeping cryptocurrency? Please, this is your future. So that is why it is important. Don't say you want to buy, just buy and keep. I think that is exactly what I'm doing now. I've already budgeted that every month I will be buying minimum of crypto of 20,000 naira. And I want to do this for the next 5 years. I want to encourage everyone that you can go, you can do the same thing, because in the next 5 years, your story will definitely change. Right now, a lot of people are mining Bitcoin. You can also do that. In case you are not mining Bitcoin. That this is a system that Bitcoin has emplaced in order for them to keep the coin moving. So you have to start mining Bitcoin now. If you haven't started, my link is below. Just click the link below and register. The registration is very easy. Register with your email, then you start to you every 1 hour you go there and roll. That is how to mine Bitcoin. What do you do here? If you want to deposit money and buy crypto and keep, what do you do? Here, I have Bitcoin here. That's the unit that I have. I have Funcoin that I bought to keep. I have 3,502 units, and I have Pepe. As you can see, I have 11,800,000 in the next 5 years. Rise to, let's say, one Pepe, $1. Do you know how rich I will be? That is just it. So, what I want to encourage everyone, please, if it is 1,000, 2,000 naira, just put it here. Buy coin and leave it there. So now let us go to how to buy coin. When you click your wallet, then you click deposit. So as you can see, you click deposit from here, you pick Naira. The reason why it's showing Naira is because that is the default currency that I said when I downloaded the application. In case you don't know how to go about the setting, you can watch the video that the link is below so that you know how to do the setting tonight. So the next thing you do is to click continue. Okay. After clicking continue, then you type the amount that you want to transfer from here. I'm transferring 10,000. As you can see, you can transfer a minimum of 1,000 and above. So even with 1,000 naira, you can buy crypto. There's no excuse. So I want to transfer 10,000 naira, and the merchant fee is 40 naira, as you can see there. So this is the amount that I will get in my account. Then I'll say continue. Okay, no merchant offer. Let me change the amount to 5,000. The merchant offer for this, as you can see, this is the name of the merchant, Abubakar Adebayo Musa. The bank name is PalmPay, and this is the account number. So what do you do from here? You copy this account number, then just pay up attention from here. You copy this account number, then you minimize it, then you go to your app, your bank app. Okay, come to my bank app, then I'll send the account number there, PalmPay. I click PalmPay. As you can see, Abubakar Abayero Musa, that's the same name. Then I'll do the transfer. Now, I have done the transfer. I can even screenshot the transfer. You can screenshot the transfer and keep on your phone. I want to go back there. Come back here. As you can see. Now, the next thing I want to do from here, the reason why I say we should just minimize it and not close it. Once you have paid, the next thing you want to do is to come down here and click I have paid. Immediately you click it, the time will start counting. Abubakar Abayero will be notified so that he can fund your account. You can fund your account, and also you can also go ahead and shout him up from here to notify him that you have paid. Now, there's one thing I want you to believe in this process. There's no need for panicking. There's no need for you to say whether your money, somebody will dupe you. There's nothing like that. There's what they call escrow Now, until they confirm, until Binance confirm that your account has been credited, this money will not be released to Abubakar. This money will not be released to Abubakar. That is why you are saying here, waiting for release. So there's nothing like scam here. You can never be scammed here, except the only way you scam. So don't be scared about it. Very soon now, the money will be released. So let me even go ahead and chat Abubakar up to let him know. You click chat. If that is not enough, I can even go ahead and screenshot and send my script. So as you can see, what I'm saying, this money has been released. You can see deposit, 5,000 deposit into your spot wallet, as you can see. So that is it. So the next thing, do that, come to home. Just type convert here. Just as you can see, there's already a convert. Here you are here. Convert. Here. Now from here directly, you can buy your cryptocurrency. You want to convert Naira to, let's say, Fun coin. So I'm converting my Naira to Fun coin. Now here you see maximum here. Maximum. That is the whole amount of Naira that you have in your wallet. You just click maximum. When you click maximum, it will come out. That is 4,980 Naira. That's the maximum amount that I have there. Then this is the unit of Fun coin that amount can buy. The unit, it can buy 928 units of Fun coin. So what do I do? From there, you just come to preview conversion. You come here. As you can see, then you convert. Immediately, your money, your Naira has been converted to, converted it to Fun coin. So right now, let us go to my wallet. Yes, as you can see, the unit of my Fun coin has increased to 4,433. I want to believe that you have learned a lot in this video. Please, I will advise, even if it is 1,000 Naira, put in crypto. Just buy, deposit it, convert it to coin. If you don't know coin that you would like to buy, please contact me privately. I'm going to tell you which coin that you can buy. Buy the coin, leave it there, and let's see what happens in the next 5 years. Don't be selfish about this video. Please let everybody watch this video. Share it on your social media handle. All the links below. Watch the video of the links below and make sure that you subscribe to Info, then like this video until I see you in my next video, where I will be teaching proper trading, how you can accumulate your money, how you can start trading with minimum of 5 to 10,000 Naira and accumulate your money and grow your money on Binance. So till I see you in my next video, I want to say be good.